Ugh, it's raining outside, so I'm gonna go outside because I can't play video games with Snorlax like I usually do. Because he kind of want the Norm's competition thing. Let's just go outside. It's raining. I love to play in the rain. What are you doing here? I fell. What do you mean what am I doing here? I'm a part of Norm's competition. Why? Because I am. Jeez. I fell again. Well, I clearly am. I'm a main character, you know. You're a bomb that almost killed me, and you're gonna say you're a main character? Yeah, that can be a main character. I mean, I guess you're right. But why are you here? Well, I heard Norm talking about his new competition. So then I came over and then said, "Cool, can I join?" And then he said yes. That is dumb. Yeah, I'm gonna run away. Don't get back here. Dun, dun, dun. You can't catch me. I'm running away. Cause you can't catch me. Ow. I tripped. Grab! I'm gonna turn you into the superheroes. Oh no. They moved their base back here. You can't see it. Oh my god. Light. Okay, there we go. Say superheroes. What was that? It was me putting my knee against this couch because I was leaning over it. Why do you have to put your base over here? So you made a giant farting noise because you put your knee on the couch? Yeah, my knee was wet and it rubbed up against the couch. Whatever. Anyway, superheroes, keep this creeper safe. Wait, what was that noise? But what is that? What? I am a monster. Hey! What are you doing? I'm a monster. Oh no, Optimus Prime! No! He knocked Floxy over and he ran away. What just happened? Hi. Why did you bring us here? Well, I wanted to know if you want to join my team. We're already a part of a team. It's called Team Bullies. Wow. Can I join? I have a place to stay at and everything. Oh, a new bully base. That would be cool. Our last one kind of got infiltrated. Wow, that's bad. Wow, that's bad. Anyway, let me go show you it. Wait. What? Which? Is that you? Yes, creeper. Why did you leave me to go join this stupid bully team? You left me. But sorry, I kinda thought. You kinda thought what? Huh? Kinda thought you were never coming back to see me again. Why day, you left the house to go to this other house, and apparently, I would never see you again. Yeah, so I thought I would join a different team. I hate you. I hate you forever. I messed up. Really bad. Okay, so this is the new base. How do you like it? We got the big bed with the sleeping bag that's not zipped up, so it looks like a sleeping bag. We got the dressers. What kind of a whatever noise you do was, what kind of a noise was that? It was like, that's a really good impression of me. Anyway, we have 50 billion pillows, and we got the dressers, and we got this rocking chair full of paper. Got the vacuum cleaners. We have laundry and more laundry. We even have a closet full of more laundry. The light doesn't work though. But then we have this other rocking chair which kind of rocks. Then we have a TV, big TV, and we have a window so we can look outside. Oh, well, okay, but we still have to get our other friends. Oh, your other friends. Oh, yeah, our other friends. You only broke us out of jail, but you have to break them out of jail too. Well, then let's go.